Hello, welcome to the 12 for free IT skills training. Today we're looking at how to create text animation videos. This training is proudly sponsored by ARMS Multimedia Group. So without wasting much time, let's head on to Textro. Okay, so once you open up Textro, let me just get rid of this text. So once you open up Textro, this is what you see. Now, Textro is basically used for web text animation videos. We can also use it to create intro videos, of course, but it's mostly used for text animations. Then when you open it, you see that right at the top here, we have 0 and 80. That means that we have a word count and a letter count, so we have a maximum of 80 letters per page or per scene. Understand? So which means that if we are using Textro to come out with an animation video, we would have to split it into scenes or pages. Then later we would have to combine these pages or scenes either in CapCut or in InShot to come up with our text animation video. So basically that's what you need to know. So let's start by inputting our text. So my first page, I want to have something like hello, welcome to ARMS Multimedia Group. So once you have your first text, your first page done, you click on the play button here. Then you select text video. Then you have your aspect ratio here. I'm going to use it for a YouTube video, so I'll select YouTube here. Then I'll tap on the check mark here. So once you are here, we have the style. Now this is the first one. This is what is showing first. The second one is here. The third one, we have a series of them. Okay, now you come here to we have color. Now you can have texture, you can use gradient color, and then you can use solid color as well. So let's see texture. Let's select this and see. Okay, let's see this one. Let's see this one. I think I like this one. So let's head back. Let's go to fonts. Okay, I think this font will do. Let's come back to styles. I would like to change it. I would like to use, okay, magazine will do. Alright, that's fine. So once we are done with our first page, you see that there is a watermark here, Textro. Then we have tap to remove. So let's tap to remove it. Now once you tap on it, they would ask you to buy their premium app or their premium software, but we don't want to do that. So let's click on no thanks. Then they are giving us a second option to watch an ad to get our watermark removed. So let's watch the ad and get our watermark removed. Our ad is done. Let's close it, and then you see that our watermark is done. This is gone. So let's click on the check mark at the right top corner here to save our video. So our video has been saved successfully. Okay, good. Let's just head back. Yes, let's leave. Now let's come back to the first page where we enter our text. so let's input something else. Okay. We are your one-stop destination for all IT services. We are your one-stop destination for all IT services. Let's do it this way. Then let's tap on the play. Let's go to text animation. Let's select YouTube. Check mark. Then let's come to color. For this one, I'll use this one. Now let's come to style. I'll take this one. Then let's tap to move our watermark as usual.
That's from which app is.
Okay, so let's click on the check mark to save our video. So our video has been saved successfully. And let's return to the first page where we enter our text. And let's say something like our services. Graphic design, videography, photography, skills training. Okay, so that's okay. Let's tap on create text video. Let's use YouTube again. Okay, so once we are here, let's just change the color a bit. Okay, let's try gradient and see. Okay, I like this one. Then let's come to the style. Yes, I like this one. Let's tap to remove our watermark. Okay, so let's click on the check mark to save our video. Okay, so for purposes of understanding, I think these three scenes are okay to for you to understand. Okay, all right, so once we are done, let's head on to either InShot or CapCut. I'm familiar with CapCut. Is the one I like using. I'm using the cloned version, the modified version, which I would later teach you how to get in the coming days. Okay, so once we are here, let's drag in our videos. So this is the first one. Let's select them. 3. Then let's add. Alright, so let's play them first. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to remove this space here, this. So we hit on split, then we delete it. Alright, so once that is done, you see that if we just wanted to combine them, then we just click on export because we have combined them. But then there are some things I want to open your mind to, so that you can use them later. You understand? Now, for example, the music. Tap on the first video. Now you see that only the first video is selected. If you don't like the music, just come to volume, just turn it off to 0, then click on the check mark. Now you see that it's mute. Understand? Then the second one, so you can do the same thing for both. Okay, but I just want to undo this. I think the sound is perfect for now. Alright, so once we are here, now you see that up until here nothing shows, so we can cut off the first part, the first few seconds of the video. We can delete it. Then the last few seconds of the video, we can cut it and delete it. We can do same for this one. Let's split it and then delete it. Then you see that this one too has something similar to the first one. Let's cut that, split it and delete it. Then here, let's split this one too and then delete it. Split, delete. Then let's split, let's delete. Then let's delete the ending here, which usually shows CapCut. Alright, so once this is done, now let's come to where we have our services. Great. So now we have graphic design, where there's graphic design. Okay, now let's click on overlay. Let's add an overlay. Okay, let's go to photos, then let's add. Let's reduce the size. Let's reduce the size. Let's put it here. Let's go back. Let's add another overlay. Let's add this. Let's reduce the size. Then let's play it. Now you see that these overlays still play even after the graphic design. Okay, now let's see what we can do. Let's reduce the timeline of the overlays to coincide exactly with the graphic design. Great. Now let's play. Now let's do the same for this one. Great. Now where we have videography, now let's add an overlay here. Let's come to photos. Let's use this. Let's add it. Then let's drag it all to this. Then let's see. Alright, so let's select this overlay. Let's reduce the size. Let's hang it up here. Then let's play our video and see. Then, for the skate training, we could do something similar like that. Okay, so now this is just a concept. So In case you are doing this text animation video to advertise your business, to advertise whatever you are doing, now how would you make this more interesting? One, you see that our services are all combined on one page when we're doing the text animation. Now if you want to do it for proper advertisement, you will have to, for example, graphic design should be a single scene on itself, so that the overlay can show multiple pictures. Even it can include some short videos of you in action, you doing your work, you understand. Then the videography will have its own scene, a full scene or a full page for itself. You can add all your overlays there. If you sell products, add pictures of the products, videos of the products, you understand. In the advanced class, I'll be teaching you how to make use of CapCut to do basic content creation, you understand. Some basic editing stuff that would come in really handy when you want to work as an online business person, or when you want to work as a YouTuber, a content creator, a TikToker, whatever sort of content creation you want to go into, or whatever sort of business you want to kind of get into or promote it out there to the entire world to see, understand. So this brings us to the end of today's session, okay, because we've learned how to create the text animation, and we've learned how to add an overlay, how to add videos to pictures to our distance. As for adding of music and voiceovers, I've taught you how to do that. So to end this class, just hit on export. Then you wait patiently for CapCut to export your video, and then you can play it, and that'll mark the end of the class.